Happy Friday to you. I'm ABC 13 meteorologist Elita Loresca with a look at your 1-minute weather. We dry out for today. The storms have moved out, but expect some showers and storms to return late in the afternoon and evening on Saturday, and also the possibility of severe weather. Another ozone pollution watch on tap for today as those heat index values rise to near the century mark with afternoon highs in the low 90s. There may be a small chance of a big thunderstorm, but that chance for today is basically 20%, and it's showing signs that most areas will be dry with a few high thin clouds. That shower and thunderstorm chance may come in between 2 and 4 p.m. Meanwhile, those showers and thunderstorms south of I-10 look to be a little bit more favorable. We are warming up today, upper 80s, low 90s along the coastline, further inland into the mid 90s. I mentioned the threat for some thunderstorms tomorrow. A few of those storms could be on the stronger side. Severe weather a possibility as we get into Saturday, especially late in the afternoon into the evening. Similar to yesterday, the primary threats will be some damaging wind gusts of over 70 miles per hour, including some large hail. The wind probability, depending on where you live, is higher around Houston, north and west of town. So here are some of the cities that could possibly be impacted by some of those severe winds. These are winds that are a little bit stronger as well. So from Houston up toward Cleveland, the Cold Spring area, as far west as Hempstead, College Station, Navasota, just putting you on notice that things could get a little dicey late in the afternoon and evening on Saturday. Also, the probability for hail will be similar, basically around Houston, north and northwest of Houston, up toward the northeast side of town, Somerville, Brenham, putting you on notice. So timing out the chance for rain. It stays mostly dry Saturday morning. There could be a few spotty rain showers, but we'll hold off until the latter part of the afternoon. The first areas that need to be put on notice for those strong thunderstorms, areas north of Montgomery County. We're talking around 3, 4 o'clock during the peak heating of the day. Here comes this disturbance from the north, and then that'll be sliding into Houston between 7 to 9 p.m., then along the coastline between 9 to 11 p.m. And then it looks like we've got another piece of energy coming in just before we transition into Sunday. So we definitely have some wet weather for those of you that have some late evening plans Saturday and then early morning on Sunday. Could pick up anywhere between ½ an inch to an inch of rain, and some higher totals in our northern counties do place a slight risk for some flooding. If you look at the computer model that I just showed you and you break it down hour by hour, we're going to keep those rain chances higher late in the afternoon into the evening hours, jumping those rain chances to 40% at 6 p.m., a 60% chance by 9 p.m. Then it's all about a heat ridge. That heat ridge brings in the heat and the humidity. Late next week, as we move into Father's Day weekend, it's going to be a hot one for dads and a humid one with temperature readings in the upper 90s, but the heat index values closer to 108 to 109. All right, that's a look at your forecast on this Friday. Hope you have a great one.